Ano daw, may opinion po doon ma'am na pwede po kami mag-upload just like nung sa exam po, na nag-upload po kami ng screenshot. Okay. Sige po. Thank you, thank you, Marie. Alright, so again, in a document form, so ibig sabihin, isasubmit nyo siya na consolidated lahat na po ng answer ninyo regarding do sa mga questions na you need to discuss with your group mates. And then, those questions po or per cases, okay, sorry, per cases, igagawa nyo po siya ng presentation. Short presentation lang that di-discuss natin siya sa next meeting. Maliwanag po ba yon? Nakuha po yun, leaders? Nakuha naman po or medyo confusing? Okay, thank you, Marie. Alright, how about group 2? Okay, Bren, thank you, Bren. Alright, so Bren and Marie, you have to meet your group mates today via online and then submit to me the screenshot ng mga ng umattend na group mates ninyo. Okay? Then you have to give it to Jay. Then Jay will give to me all the consolidated attendees ng group mates ninyo kung may mga hindi umattend or pag-usapan naman ninyo kung ano yung planning ninyo and tasking ninyo para dire-diretso na yung paggawa ninyo ng activity. Maliwanag ba? Kung nasa classroom, then just take a picture group na nandun kayo lahat. We man session online. Okay? Jay, ikaw na lang mag-protect nung kanilang ng pictures po. Okay? Proof that you made your meeting, that you had your meeting today. Okay? Maliwanag po. So, make sure na ma-discuss na ninyo lahat ng kailangan ninyo. At least makagawa na kayo ng draft. Kung ano man yung mga naiisip ninyong gagawin ninyo for the activity. So, consolidate. And mahaba masyado yung time na mabibigay ko sa inyo. So, I expect na wala tayong magiging problema. And lahat is open for proper communication. Okay? Okay. So, do you have any question? Members, leaders, may question po ba? So, I encourage everybody to participate. Hindi lang si leader ang gagalaw, okay? So, malalaman ko din yan kung si leader lang ang gumalaw. So, I will evaluate you also and grade you individually based sa magiging presentation ninyo sa next meeting. Okay? Okay. So, do you have any questions? May question pa or none so far naman? Leaders, you can ask Jay also if may need kayo so that Jay can inform me. Ha? Para hindi magulo yung ating usap dito. Okay? All goods? Section A? Okay tayo sa activity? Okay, by the way, before ko makalimutan, I will upload the activity na. Let me just fix the file. Wait lang po. Ayusin ko lang. Gawan ko lang kayo ng per group na file. Wait lang ha. Okay. So, bali group 1 ay cases 1 and 2. And group 2 is cases 3 and 4. Okay, save as desktop. G1, section A. G1A. Okay, done. And then cases 3 and 4, save as G2A. Okay. So, before po mag-deadline, gagawa po ako ng folder na lang, no? Hayaan ko muna kayong mag-consolidate para hindi kayo ma-pressure naman. Well, this is just no pressure, guys. You can submit it on March 26. Again, list. Well, nasa na ako. Wait. Punta lang ako class natin sa LLMS class list. And then, RT 103, section, section A. RT 103, section A. Okay. Activity group 1. G1A, okay. Oh, sorry. So, wait lang ah. Posted activity file for group 1. And then activity file for group 2. Okay. Okay. Posted 1, group 1 and group 2. Nakita na, pwede nyo na pong i-check. Ayan. Check nyo ba siya? Okay. Ayan. Sabihan nyo kapag nakita nyo na ha. Okay. Thank you. Alright. So, nakikita na po. Okay. So, all the leaders po, Marie and Bren, you can now meet your group mates online. You can take your time to na ma-communicate sila. And then just tell me if what time kayo natapos mag-usap-usap. Okay? Maliwanag po ba yon? Jason, kindly monitor na lang, ha? Okay. Yes po. Thank you so much. Alright? So, ayan. Pwede naman na kayong mag-create na ng ano nyo, ng group nyo to talk about your activity. Okay, thank you. Alright, thank you po.